real quick before we get started, in case you missed my last video, we have merch for the channel. The shirt looks like this. They come in all different sizes and colors. The link is in the description. Make sure you pick one up, support the channel. Let's get started. Oh, yeah.
I think so anyways, because I can hear it more being over top of it.
Do it again. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Japan. Today's video, I know Chris is really excited. I'm really excited. I bought him a blow-off valve for Christmas a while back for the Evo. We're going to refurbish it, just make it look a little bit better, and throw it on the Evo, make some psh psh noises. Let's get started. So if you guys remember, I got this used HKS blow-off valve for Chris for Christmas. But as you see, it's seen better days. We're going to try a trick that we saw on YouTube with WD-40, the Scotch Brite scrubby pad, and some polish, and see if we can restore this thing, get it back to nice shine. Dang. So essentially, what I saw the video was, should we take it apart first, you think? Might be easier.
Yeah.
We're gonna take it apart. So, as you can see, there is an HKS logo right here. I'm not certain if it's going to, basically sand that off, but it looks terrible. So we're gonna follow the instructions I saw on the YouTube video. WD-40 on your rag or your SOS. Put it on the blow-off valve. Yeah, it's gonna pull that HKS logo off.
It's all good. It already looks better.
Yeah, it does. Sounds crazy.
The yellowing is coming off it already.
Little squirt, squirt. Oh, I squirted. It's not gonna look brand new, but it's gonna look infinitely better than it did. You know how to breath doing this. That's not a good sign, guys. I'm out of shape. What do you think? You happy with it?
Yeah, that's great. I think it looks way better than what it did.
Yeah. I mean, what? Bought some Scotch Brite. We already had WD-40. This is like a 5 to 10 minute and $3, improvement. Dude, that looks freaking awesome. So now we put this back together, bevel side down, line up the holes, further circulated, boom. I think I got it. Chris has got his focus face on. Can't believe you're not sticking your tongue out. Dude, from a distance, that looks so much better. Really does. Here you go, sir. Dinner is served. While they may look like corn dogs, they are not. They're pancake wrapped sausages on a stick. Quite literally one of the best things in the world.
Are you filming me? Why?
That's funny. So we're gonna see if we can throw the flange on like this. This little O-ring goes in here. O-ring installed. We're gonna try. You need some actual pliers made for these snap ring pliers, but we're gonna see if we can get away with just using some flatheads. We'll see. So overall installation is going to be extremely simple. Disconnect this hose, disconnect this hose, disconnect the vacuum line, and replace it with the blow-off valve. This is going to go where the recirculated pipe is on the front of the blow-off valve, and then the flames that I'm installing the snap ring on go right there. Really easy, really simple. Oh yeah. So we got really lucky. There's the OEM blow-off valve. So This flange right here just happens to be the same exact size as his factory one. And this one is 1.25 inches for the recirculation hose. So we just had to order this piece in the right measurement, and this is just the regular flange. So it all happened to work. We got lucky. Is it in?
Yep.
Nice. Boom. Now all we gotta do is tighten that. So obviously blow-off valve is installed. Chris also installed some small spacers on the rear to give a little bit better fitment, and it looks fantastic. So the front doesn't really need them, the rear need them a little bit because of fender flare, I guess. Spacers on, blow-off valve installed, oil's changed, we're good to go. I'm really excited to hear this thing. Oh. Man, yeah, that rear wheel looks a lot better now. And Chris also waiting on that new exhaust to come, the HKS. So pretty stoked about that. Oh yeah. So excited to hear this new blow valve. So many cool cars out here today. Oh.
It's just easier on this end.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I think so anyways, because I can hear it more being over top of it.
Do it again. What do you think, Chris? Dude, that, I can't wait to hear it under load too. Oh my God, that sounds so freaking awesome. Ooh, bye baby. First sound test, driving. We hope we can hear it because it is recirculated, so the sounds are muffled or muted. You can hear it. It sounds good.
I don't hear it at all.
Yo, real quick, we stopped. Chris is over here putting gas in the Evo, but we stopped. This car was right in front of us at the stoplight. This Sunny is awesome. It's got some serious attention to detail. Check out the headlights, the halos, projectors, perfect fitment on the wheels. Check out the fender mirrors, are in great shape. But wait till you see the airbrush work that's on the trunk, or the tailgate. And the rising sun, the gas cap. Whoa, look at the gold flake in the wheels. Yo, that is awesome. Really cool color. Check out the interior, got the Nardi wheel, aluminum door panels. That is sick. Check out the tailgate. This is all done locally, and it's all airbrushed. Check out the detail. That is crazy. So we got to give Juan deserves a big thumbs up because this Sunny is awesome. Really cool truck, man. And check out the JZX90. Some pretty wild fitment. That's pretty awesome. All right, guys. Since Chris is being a giant wimp, doesn't want to be in the video, I'm gonna do this outro by myself. After the blow-off valve got installed, being recirculated does make it so quiet. It's kind of a letdown. It sounds fantastic when the car's not moving, but you don't get a whole lot of the noise while driving. So we're gonna try to vent atmosphere and see. Apparently some Evos can handle it and some can't. If it doesn't handle it, we'll just deal with it being circulated. But like, comment as always. I'll see you next time.